Hello guys, today I've got the Apple AirPods Max 2 and I'm going to show you why won't your device charge. There are many factors that may, make your headphones not charging, and today we're going to go through them. So the first and the most important thing is that you may have the dust or any debris and the charging port. So look over here with your flashlight, for example, and check if you have here any debris or anything like that. If you do, you need to just clean it. Try to clean it using the soft brush or with the brush with a piece of alcohol. Just don't use any metallic tools. Apart from that, try to change the power brick or power outlet or the cable, because your cable may be broken, or as I said, the power brick may be broken or unsupported, or power outlet may be just broken. There are many factors in the power section that may just affect your headphones. Apart from that, there may be some software glitch or firmware glitch, and you need to just have your headphones set up back again. So try to perform a factory reset by holding these two buttons until you see this light going orange. And as a last resort, you need to contact device support to have it fixed, because this is something that is inside, that may be a hardware issue that we can't detect and can't change. That's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. If you have any questions about your headphones, feel free to let me know in the comment section below. And as I said, that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.